Hello everyone. Today's question is a part of the Leetcode string series. In this problem, we are given a string which contains letters and digits. Our task is to consider only the integers present at the start of the string and return that. For some additional information, let's look at the constraints. So what do we return if there are 0 characters present in the string? We just return 0. There is a possibility that the string could have up to 200 digits. Can the output value also have up to 200 digits? No, the output value can be the standard integer size, which is 2 raised to 31 minus 1 on the positive end and minus 2 raised to 31 on the negative end. If there is an integer larger than these sizes, just return the maximum number on each end. The string can have empty spaces. How are we supposed to handle that? Any leading and trailing spaces should be eliminated and not considered, while any space between sentences or numbers should be considered as a demarcation point. The numbers can lie at the back of the string after several words or garble of letters. What do I return then? Return any number that is a valid integer till any other character comes which is not identified as a digit. And this is only at the start of the string. There is a possibility of floating point number with the dot given. So how do we handle the float numbers? No, we just consider integers. The dot can be considered again as a breakpoint and can be ignored. Now that we have an idea of what sort of test cases we would be dealing with, let's look at the approach and the code. First, we deal with any leading or trailing spaces with the strip command in Python. Second, if we have an empty string, we return 0. The order of the above statement is important in case we just have empty spaces. The code I had written earlier did not work. Next, we need to check if the number is positive or negative. So if we have s of 0 as minus, we put the sign as -1, or if we have the default sign, the sign is 1. If the first character of the string is plus or minus, just ignore them for now and start the string with the second character. We then keep iterating over different characters in the string. We check if the characters are digits. If they are, we calculate the number. If it is not, we just exit the loop. In the end, if the number was greater than the maximum value of the integers on either positive or the negative end, we just return the max value on either end, or else we just return the number. Let's check outputs for some of the test cases. The time complexity is O of n. It is primarily dependent on the number of iterations. The space complexity is also constant, so O of 1. Okay, that was it for today's problem. I really can't think of a way to change or modify this problem. Please let me know in the comments below if you have any suggestions. There are links in the description below to similar problems and the string playlist. From what I know, the buffer for the YouTube likes is quite high, so smash that like button and subscribe to this channel to see more videos like this. Thank you and bye.